If you want to share a PDF file on Zoom meeting using your PC, then this video is for you. So first of all, you need to install Zoom application in your system, and after that you need to log into your account with your username or password. If you have not created any account, then you can sign up an account, then you can sign in. You can see at the right hand side I have already signed in. So to share a PDF file, you need to be a host of that meeting. So you need to create a meeting and you need to click on new meeting and just tap on new meeting, and you are the now host of this meeting because you have started the meeting and you are the host. Okay, so now what I need to do, you need to just you can see at the bottom share screen, just tap on this and click on this first option screen and click on share. After that you need to look for the PDF file which you want to share. So let me share one file, just open that file. So as you can see, now I have shared this file and I am also sharing my screen here. So I hope friends now you will be able to share a PDF file or any other document using this method, and it is very easy. You can use your PC to create a Zoom meeting as a host and share PDF file, and then continue your meeting with right information. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.